Definite integral. The definite integral of any function is a difference of the value at points a and b. The number a at the bottom of the integral sign is called lower limit, and the number b at the top of the integral sign is called upper limit. Examples evaluate the following integral. So we have this one, integral of x squared plus 3x dx. So we have the solution. So that one equals to x cubed over 3 plus 3 x squared over 2, 0 to 1, or equivalent to, substitute values, 1 cubed over 3 plus 3 1 square over 2 minus 0 cube over 3 plus 3 0 square all over 2. So you have this one equivalent to 11 over 16. So next, integral of 2y dy over y plus 1, limit from 1 to 2. So your solution of this one would be solution. Integral of 2y dy over y plus 1, limit from 1 to 2, equals to integral of dy over or minus dy over y plus 1, y plus 1. So equivalent to where y over y plus 1 is equivalent to 1 minus 1 over y plus 1. So we have that one equals to y minus ln of y plus 1, 1 to 2. So equivalent to 2 minus ln of 2 plus 1 minus 1 minus ln of 1 plus 1. So equivalent to 1 minus ln of 3 all over 2. Integral of 2x plus 6 dx. So you have the one solution equals to 2x squared over 2 plus 6x, limit from 1 to 2, equals to x squared plus 6x, limit from 1 to 2, or equivalent to 2 squared plus 6 times 2 minus 1 square plus 6 times 1, or equals to 4 plus 12. minus 1 plus 6 or equals to 16 minus 7 or equivalent to 9. Right, number 4. 4x to the power minus 3 dx. So integral of 4x to the power minus 3 dx. So solution equals to 4x minus 2 over minus 2, 0 to 1. So equivalent to 4, 1 minus 2 all over minus 2 equivalent to minus 2. So the next one is integral of t squared minus 2t plus 2 dt. So to do this one is integrate, no? So solution equals to t cubed over 3 plus t squared plus 2t, limit from 0 to 5, or simply substitute. Have that one, 5 cubed over 3 plus 5 square plus 2 times 5, of course minus 0. So this one equivalent to 230 over 3. Integral of 6, number 6, 2 to 8 dy over y times square root of 2y. So equivalent to 1 all over square root of 2. Integral of y to the power minus 3 over 2 dy, or equivalent to 1 over square root of 2 times y minus 1/2 over minus 1/2, limit from 2 to 8. So equivalent to 1 over square root of 2 times minus 2 over square root of y, limit from 2 to 8, or equivalent to minus 2 over square root of 2 square root of y times, of course, the limit of 2 to 8, or equivalent to minus 2 square root of 2 times square root of 2 over square root of 2 over 1 over square root of y to the limit of 2 to 8, to equivalent to equivalent to minus 2 square root of 2 over y to the power 2 over 2 to 8. So that one minus square root of 2 over 8 minus square root of 2 all over 2 or equivalent to minus square root of 1/4 minus minus 1 square root of 1 or equivalent to minus 1/2 plus 1 or equivalent to 1/2. So for this integral of dy over 4 minus y squared, the limit here is minus 1 minus 1, then you have that 1. So solution equals to arc sine y over 2. You have that 1 minus 1 to 1 or equivalent to arc sine 1 over 2 minus arc sine minus 1 over 2, where your arc sine 1/2 equals to 30 degrees or equivalent to pi over 6. So this one equals to pi over 6 minus pi over 6 equivalent to pi over 3. Pi over